Buddy, we have to blow dry. Blow dry. Yeah. Blow dry. Yeah. That's after your puppy. After your first puppy. What's that? It's a blow dryer. Blow dry. Yeah. Because we're going to make you handsome. Oh. See? Oh, you're beautiful. Yeah. What is this? It is blow drying you, buddy. Hey. You want to see it? What's this, buddy? Come see. What's this? Come here, handsome. Look, bud. Look at Jesus. Can't have a dirty dog. No. Look at what? Here, bud. You're hiding. You're hiding. Where's Buddy? Okay, come see. Come see. Yeah, that's to make you be beautiful. Yeah. Oh, this would be fun. Oh. Oh. Here, buddy. Dry. Dry. Oops. Okay, buddy, sit. Here, buddy, blow dry. Okay.